Hey guys, Shukesh here. Today in this video, I will show you some cool wallpapers to properly hide the hole punch at the top of the Note 10 Plus's display, and also two other ways to hide the hole punch. So let's first look at this wallpaper. Elastigirl's eye is perfectly placed on the hole punch, making it almost invisible. The wallpaper is colorful and most importantly high resolution without any pixelation. On the lock screen as well, I have set a wallpaper from Big Hero 6 which also fits perfectly. To download this wallpaper, visit the CNET website that is linked in the description below. There are a couple of other wallpapers I don't like that much. Of course, more wallpapers will come out shortly, so just Google. Now when you are not on the home screen like in an application, then the hole punch will show up, so the next step is turning on the night mode. Go to the display settings, there you get the night mode. With this mode on, you can keep the display brightness higher. This is AMOLED, so outdoor visibility might be an issue, but with night mode and high brightness it's easier. This also saves considerable amount of battery, and at night the white background is not going to burn your eyes. The text seems more readable, and of course the hole punch remains hidden in most of the system apps. Now under accessibility visibility enhancement settings, you will find these two high contrast themes that go perfectly with the camera hole punch situation. Once again, this is AMOLED, so that's gonna save battery, and the whole theme, the whole user interface is now dark themed with pitch black background and white text. Of course, you can set a wallpaper keeping the theme, and the difference between the two themes are basically the accent color. The theme 1 is on yellow, the theme 2 is based on sky blue, so choose whichever you like. And the most beautiful part is the keyboard. It looks cool, the visibility is great, the contrast is awesome. I mean, look at this, it's nothing like your normal keyboard, and the sky blue accent color is more soothing than the theme 1 yellow accent. Now there is another theme I have downloaded from the Samsung theme store and used it in most of my reviews. You guys liked it a lot and asked me about this. So this is an official Samsung theme you need to download from the theme store. It's in between the dark themes and the normal colorful Samsung themes. Now if you literally hate this Samsung hole punch, cannot withstand the view of it, want to get rid of it permanently, then there is a last resort. I mean, in third-party apps this hole will show up and cover a part of your videos or gameplay, so you can either disable full screen aspect ratio for those apps or go to the advanced settings and hide camera cutout. Now there is a black bar at the top of the screen, and once again, since this is AMOLED, the black color basically blends with the black bezel, so there is no way anyone can tell. Now it's like the previous generation Galaxy Note 9, and since it's a big display, 6.8 inch, with the black bar it comes down to 6.3 or 6.4 inches, which is still big enough. So these are the solutions for the camera cutout situation on the display. I really hope that Samsung will bring the in-display camera tech on the next generation Galaxy S or Galaxy Note. I think that is the final solution for all this madness of notch, teardrop notch, this hole punch, motorized pop-up, swivel, rotating, shark fin, the list goes on, but that is the final solution, I think. What do you think, guys? Comment below and share your views. I personally feel this small hole punch is not an eyesore. In fact, to make it smaller, Samsung decided to get rid of the depth sensor of the S10 Plus, and in addition to that, the front camera aperture has been downgraded from f1.9 to f2.2. Less aperture means smaller lens, so smaller cutout. That's all in this very short video. I hope that it was entertaining and informative. Do subscribe to Gadgets Portal for more awesome videos on this new generation Samsung Galaxy Note. This is Shukesh signing off. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video.